In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a template in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, knowing how to duplicate templates can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. It's a simple process, but it's packed with potential to customize your workspace exactly how you like it. Let's dive into it. Firstly, you'll want to open your Notion application, whether that's on your desktop or via the web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the sidebar, where you'll see all your pages listed. This sidebar is your main navigation area in Notion, and it's incredibly useful for quickly moving between different projects or pages you're working on. Next, locate the template you want to duplicate. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to find it more easily. Just type in a keyword from the template's title and it should come up in the search results. Once you've found your template, hover over it with your mouse. You'll see 3 little dots appear to the right of the template name. These dots are what you're going to click next. They're a quick access point to a menu that offers several actions you can take. When you click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll see one labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, Notion will create a copy of your template. This copy will appear right below the original template in the sidebar. You'll notice it's named exactly the same, but with the word copy appended to the title. This is a default setting to help you identify which is the original and which is the duplicate. Feel free to rename the duplicated template by clicking on it and typing the new name you have in mind. A good tip here is to give it a name that reflects the specific purpose or project you have in mind, making it easier for you to identify in the future. Notion allows you to rename pages and templates quite easily, fortunately, without losing any of the data or setups you've put in place. Once you've renamed your duplicate, you can move it around in the sidebar just as you would with any other page. You can drag and drop it into folders or other categories you've set up, allowing you to keep your Notion workspace organized in a way that suits your workflow the best. And there you have it. Duplicating a template in Notion is quick and easy and gives you the opportunity to make any modifications you might need without altering the original. This feature is perfect for maintaining template integrity while allowing flexibility and customization for different projects or tasks. I hope this clear, step-by-step guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!